Hey! Jamie Dimon, the CEO of JPMorgan, has dropped a bombshell by stating that the recent banking turmoil won't trigger a 2008-style financial crisis. This news has many people breathing a sigh of relief, especially since Warren Buffett himself has offered to bet $1 million on the safety of US bank deposits. This bet is particularly reassuring because only a few American banks are overly exposed to rising interest rates or have excessive amounts of uninsured deposits. But don't let your guard down just yet. Dimon warned in his recent shareholder letter that the banking industry turmoil adds to these risks. Even though there are fewer banks at risk now than during the financial crisis, lenders may still pull back in fear of further turmoil, potentially reducing access to credit in the economy and hampering consumer spending. Dimon still advised taking precautions against the Federal Reserve hiking rates higher as it seeks to rein in historic inflation. The US central bank has lifted rates from nearly zero to upward of 4.75% over the past year or so. The possibility of rates going up and potentially reducing access to credit in the economy could hamper consumer spending. Prepare yourself, people. What do you think about it? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Follow for more Forex news and broker exposed update. Wikifx, a global broker regulatory inquiry app. See you soon.